Hello guys, it's Game Dev Diamond, and in today's video you'll learn how to code wall jump. Here we got a player that can move around and jump. Right click on the player and create an empty game object, and this will be wall check. Move the wall check in front of the player. Then right click on the assets and create a 2D physics material. Now I will name it player. And then make the friction 0 and drag it onto the player. Then in the player movement script, create floats, wall jump direction, wall jump time equals 0.2f, wall jump counter, and float wall jump duration equals 0.4f. Then create a public vector2 wall jump power equals new vector2, 10f in the x-axis and 20f in the y-axis. Create a public float wall slide speed, and up here create a transform wall check. Then down here create a bool is wall jumping and is wall sliding. Now scroll down and copy and paste the is grounded bool and change is grounded to is walled and ground check to wall check. Then create a void wall jump and type if is wall sliding, then wall jumping equals false. Wall jump direction equals minus transform.localscale.x. Wall jump counter equals wall jump time. And then cancel invoke in brackets name of stop wall jump. Then type else wall jump counter minus equals wall jump time dot delta time. Then type if input the get button down jump and wall jump counter is more than 0, then is wall jumping equals true. rb.velocity equals new vector to wall jump direction times wall jump power dot x, comma wall jump power dot y. Then type wall jump counter equals 0. Then type if transform.localscale.x does not equal wall jump direction, and then just copy the flip function and paste it in the if statement. Then type invoke name of stop wall jump, comma wall jump duration. And now create a void stop wall jump, and inside just type is wall jumping equals false. Now scroll up and create another void wall slide. If is walled and is not grounded and horizontal does not equal 0, then is wall sliding equals true. rb.velocity equals new vector to rb.velocity.x, comma mathf.clamp rb.velocity.y, comma minus wall slide speed, comma float.max value. Then type else wall sliding equals false. Then go to the update method and type if is not wall jumping, then drag this line into the if statement. And over here call the wall slide and the wall jump function. And actually down here in the wall jump function, it's supposed to be time.delta-time. Go back to Unity and then drag the wall check game object we made in the wall check slot. And set wall slide. And now hit play and it should work. Thanks a lot for watching and please subscribe so we can hit 20 subs by the end of August. See ya!